Hello, I'm Dilwala Shakil from TechHunterTips.com, a place where you can find cool gadgets, tech news, WordPress web design, and online earning related videos, tutorials, blogs, and more tips and tricks. In this video, I'll show how to delete an old YouTube channel. I'll upload a free complete series on how you can generate a passive income from YouTube. So, if you want to generate a passive income from YouTube, you can subscribe this channel for regular updates and make sure to set the notification bell to all so that whenever I upload a new videos you can get the notification. So let's start. First you need to log into your YouTube channel, which one you want to delete. Then press on profile icon on the right top. Then you will see a drop down menu. Then click on YouTube Studio. Then you will be redirected to YouTube Studio page. You will see many options here. You have to click on setting menu. Then a pop-up window will come and then select channel. Then select advanced setting and scroll little down and you will see the manage YouTube account option. Simply click on there and you will be redirected to account page. Click on advanced setting tab. After clicking on advanced setting tab, you will see delete channel option. After clicking delete channel, you will be redirected to Google page. Google will ask your password, so you need to enter your Google password, then click on next button. Then you will see a tab, I want to permanently delete my content. Click on there. Check the box and click on delete my content button. After this, again a pop-up window will come and it will ask you to enter your YouTube channel name. So you have to put your YouTube channel name for confirmation and then click on delete my content, and finally your content is being deleted. You have successfully deleted your YouTube account. Click the profile icon on top right, then you will see setting option. Click on setting. You will be redirected to account page and click advanced settings. Then you will see delete my account option. After entering the Google password, click on next. Then click on I want to permanently delete my content. Check the box and click on delete my content. Put your YouTube channel name and click on delete my content button. Congratulations, your account is permanently deleted now. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest update.